What's up, everybody? Welcome to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace or clean your blower motor out in a Chevy Cat-Eye. So yeah, I'm in the truck right now, and here's the comparison of before. So you can, as you can hear that on number 5 really loud. Like, you can feel a little vibration. The air is blowing, but it's not blowing as the way it sounds, how it should be. So see, as that's 1, 2, 3 is when you can really start hearing it, like. But yeah, so the first step, you want to take this cover off. It's held on by 3 of these 7mm bolts and a screwdriver bolt. Into the blower motor, you have a little tab underneath here. Can't really see. I'll show you when I take it off, but you pull it down and you twist to the right. Oh yeah, it looks like this was my problem. I mean, look at that. That is like crazy. That's why mine's so loud. But I'm gonna take this off. You can take this wire over here, unplug it. It's a little clip right here. I'm trying to do everything in one hand, so bear with me. So yeah, there's a connector. You take it off like that. Grab your fan and go ahead and blow it out, clean it out. Look at all that. Everything was in this fan. Blocking it, clogging it up. Just try to spray it down, you know, clean it up a little bit. Get the top. Gotta put this hose back on. I'm just gonna run it, and then if it still does the same thing, I'll probably replace it. But when you get the new one, just install it the same way. Connect this connector right here. And line it up the way it was. You see that little tab? That's the tab that you pull down. Put this back in there real quick. All right, so now that it's in secured, double check to see if it's flushed. It looks flushed so far. You see that tab? That's that tab that you pull down. So yeah, just do it vice versa, and then put your cover back on. All right, so after cleaning it and everything, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You don't hear that vibration no more. It's pretty smooth, and it's blowing a lot much more harder. So yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions or anything, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. Like and subscribe. Thank you.